So this is not a lot of watches that I got. So let's see. Oh, okay. This all yeah, what I call dollar pocket watches. Dollar pocket watches, right? So they are all, yeah, they're not in particularly good condition. But anyway, it's charity auction, so I gotta wear it's not a matter, so I'm just gonna wear something good. Okay, let's check through this thing. See can wind. Normally when I look at this law, I check whether I can wind. You can hear a bit of a ticking sound. The only issue in this one is missing the center. This second hand is 6. So this is a Smith. That's a Great Britain one. This is called a dollar pocket watch. So this condition is pretty good, pretty decent. And this one is another one. There's Westcox gem. So pretty much you wind up something is wrong. Either it's a broken stuff that there's a made in Canada one. So Westcox normally made in Canada. So this video will introduce you to different dollar pocket watch. And so this is another Westcox. This one I think is a Maniac one. From this, yeah, you go separate. Some of that is the Maniac. You go separate this one a lot, but anyways. There's another one. There's another Smith. Once again, gem bound. So Smith, but you can see it's Great Britain. So Smith is made in Great Britain. There's another Westcox, Canada. So it's a mixture of Britain and Ingersoll. There's his Trump. There's the US. I think that's the US one. Yeah. So that's Ingersoll Limited. There's another one. There's another Smith. Yeah, Smith again. That's the Westcox. This looks good. Let's see whether the second hand works well. Let's wind up a bit more. Let's see where the second hand moving up. Yeah. So it might be a broken stuff. Westcox Scotty. So yeah. So you see it's just slightly changed now. This is made in USA, not made in Canada anymore. Let's go through a few more. So that's the Westcox made in USA. This is the pocket band. So it looks like this is stuff pretty much just broken pieces on the auction. There's another one. There's a Westcox again. Didn't tell you, and it's all worn out. Yeah, there's all the spare parts. Sometimes you get the spare parts. And again, someone uses spin. There's a back of it case. That's being ripped out. So I'll rip out the balance stuff. That's alright. That's normal. So this is the glass. So all the broken pieces. That's it. That's the sponge for it. So that's a lot of it. So this is dollar pocket watch. If you need any parts, do reach out to me. Yeah, happy to share the parts with you. Need any parts, just let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day.